Hi, property viewers, and welcome back to another property tour. I'm your host, Serial Torem, and today I will be showcasing another property. Sitting behind me is a Mediterranean-inspired house located in one of the secured, exclusive, and serene environment in Portofino Heights. It's giving you this warm, pitch exterior with these arc windows and large balcony. And then meron din tayong pedestrian gate. This is going on this side. Later, papakita ko kung ano bang meron on this side. So before going inside the house, you have these small steps or small stairs here going to your porch. So this is the main entrance. But before we enter, I would like to show you kung anong meron dito. So on this side, you have these elevated parking slots. This can accommodate at least 2 cars. So if you have 3 cars, pwede naman sa street mag-park. So as you can see, this is really elevated here. Then now, let's go inside naman. This is the main door. It's so massive. And you have these structures outside. Now, upon entering, you have this atrium here. You have a water feature. On this side, this is your living space. So it's an exclusive space kasi separate siya from your dining and kitchen area. Then this one, this will lead you to your courtyard. So you have this sliding door glass here. Then this is the main staircase going to the upper bedrooms. Then as you can see, you have those arc windows giving this natural light inside the house. Then as you move forward from your main door, you have this bedroom here and common bathroom dito. But before we enter that, I would like to show you dito muna sa kitchen area. So this is your kitchen. You have this peninsula countertop here. This is made of granite. So this could be a sitting area since you have a mini bar on the side. So this could be your breakfast nook. Then on your kitchen area, you have this sink. You have this sliding window glass here. Then you have this warm beige na finishes ng lower cabinets and upper cabinets dito. This door, this will also lead you outside the house, dito sa side. So ito yung napakita ko kaninang small gate. So ito yung access going dito sa side ng house. Then you have the service area because dito nakalocate yung staff quarters natin. So this could be your house helper na room and their bathroom. Then yung driver's quarter is nandito siya sa taas. So dapat hindi lasing yung driver natin or dapat kaya niyang umakyat dyan because this is his room. Then dito sa likod, pakita lang natin, you have this landscape garden dito na pwede pa natin i-improve. So let's head inside. Napaka-presko ng house kasi we are surrounded by trees, ng mga plants, and walang mataas na building sa side ng house, kaya napaka-airy din niya. Then you have this half-wall na bar. So this could be your breakfast nook also or your bar. And if kulang yung space, you have that peninsula sitting area there na pinakita ko. That is made of granite, yung countertop natin. So this area, this could be your dining area. So it's massive. So malaki yung pwedeng ma-accommodate na dining chairs and dining tables dito. Then another one, you have an access going outside dito sa courtyard. So you have this patio na pwedeng magandang tambayan dito kasi napaka-presko and we're surrounded by plants and trees. Then one of the highlights ng house, you have this central atrium here. It's super gorgeous. Pero siguro since wala tayong gardener na nagma-manage as of the moment, so sayang yung mga trees on this side. But if you'll imagine, so if na-improve natin yung area na to, sobrang ganda yung part na to, yung atrium na to. So this is the courtyard. And if nakikita nyo yung door dito sa left side, this is the access going to the living space or your living area kanina na sinabi ko. And then this courtyard, you can turn this into a well-landscaped garden, or this could also be your swimming pool provision. So you can renovate and siguro mag-add tayo ng pool to add value sa house natin. So depende na yun sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin dito sa courtyard or on this space. Then on this side, ito yung going outside sa parking area. So you have to access ng pedestrian gate. Side by side siya. So meron dito going to your parking area, and then yung sa kabila naman going outside ng house, dun sa may porch naman siya, or yung sa may stairs na pinakita ko. So we're back inside ng house. On this side, you have this dual access na bathroom. This could be your common bathroom. So you have this shower area, your water closet, and your sink. Then you have bedroom number 1 here. So perfect to sa mga family na gusto yung bedroom na sa ground floor. So at least you have 1 bedroom here with an access sa common bathroom. Then you have these arc windows giving you this good natural light and facing siya doon sa front ng house natin. Going back to the living space, so this is your living area. The ceiling is very high with those arc windows giving you this Mediterranean-inspired house talaga. And ang ganda dito kasi nga maraming natural light na pumapasok sa house. So now let's head to the second floor naman. For your stairs, you have this metal railing dito na may mga structure or may design. Then upon arrival sa second floor, you have this large balcony. So pwede tayong gumawa ng outdoor area dito or ng picnic table or kung ano man yung gusto natin. So it's really big. And then dito siya yung view niya is dito sa front ng house. You have bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2. As you can see, it's high ceiling with this geometric pattern tiles here. And then you have this classic na Oculus style na window. And then you have your own bathroom. Nagulat ako sa bathroom kasi sobrang laki, guys. As in, super large bathroom. Then you have this large na shower area. Diba usually pag nakikita nyo sa mga tours ko, medyo maliit yung bathroom area. Pero for this house, it's really big. Then you have this water closet, and then your sink is at the back of the door. And hindi pa to yung master bedroom ha. This is one of the small bedroom pa lang. Then bedroom number 3 is on this side. Again, you have this high ceiling, and then you have these geometric pattern tiles, and then window glass, which is an arc window, and another large bathroom with a mini walk-in closet dito. You have your shower area, your water closet, and your sink. So those are the basic fixtures here sa bathroom. Even dito sa second floor, maganda yung pasok ng natural light kasi malaki yung windows natin. Then, lastly, this is the master or the primary bedroom. So, dito naman, hindi lahat geometric yung tiles natin. So, you have this large arc windows dito, and yung view natin, this is facing dito sa side ng house, yung sa courtyard, and ito naman is sa likod. So, if nakikita nyo, visible yung views natin. Walang naka-cover na house, hindi yung parang pagtingin ng windows house, agad yung makikita nyo or bubong ng kapitbahay. So, hindi siya ganon. So, it's an open view sa ngayon. Then, you have this large bathroom. You have this walk-in closet dito. You have the his and her sink with lower cabinets here. Your water closet. Tapos, siguro lagay na lang tayo ng mirror dito. So, nasa inyo na yon. And then you have this large shower area dito. So, hindi tayo nagtipid sa space for this house kasi nakita niyo naman yung bathroom. Sobrang laki niya. Hindi siya yung parang, hindi, para magka-bathroom lang. So that's the full tour of this house. It's a Mediterranean-inspired house in Portofino Heights, giving you the strong value ng architectural talaga. So if you want to know more details and for property viewings, just contact us through our contact details provided in the description box below. Again, this is your host, Realtor M, and see you on our next property tour.